Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we break down the smartest tech to help you make the best buying decisions. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CNC machines you need in 2026, perfect for creators, makers, and professionals looking for precision, power, and reliability in their next machine. Whether you're into woodworking, metalworking, or DIY projects, this list will help you choose the right CNC for your needs. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you updated with the latest reviews. And as always, you can check the product links in the description box below for prices and more details. Let's get started. The TTC6050 is a powerful desktop CNC built for creators who want precision and flexibility without going full industrial. It features a spacious 600 by 500 mm working area and a strong 500-watt spindle, upgradable all the way to 3000 watts, spinning up to 30,000 RPM for smooth engraving and cutting. Thanks to its rigid aluminum frame, C7 ball screws, and linear guides, it delivers impressive accuracy down to plus or minus 0.05 mm, making it suitable for wood, acrylic, aluminum, copper, and even stainless steel. The GRBL control system, touchscreen interface, Wi-Fi, offline TF card support, and expandability for laser or fourth axis upgrades make this CNC a solid all-rounder for serious hobbyists and small workshops. The Artisan 01 stands out with its industrial-grade motion system designed for speed and durability. Running a 12,000 RPM, 300-watt spindle, this CNC uses MGH 12 linear guides and dual nut lead screws to achieve smooth, vibration-free performance with engraving speeds up to 2000 mm per minute. Its intelligent 4-axis GRBL controller supports synchronized motion and continuous 24/7 operation, while one-click laser mode switching allows seamless transitions between CNC milling and laser engraving. The LUNYEE 4040 Pierrot is built for stability, cleanliness, and beginner-friendly operation. Featuring a reinforced 4060 aluminum gantry, dual linear guides, and a bowl screw Z-axis, it delivers reliable precision for wood, acrylic, nylon, and light metal work. It supports multiple spindle sizes and optional laser modules, making it highly customizable for sign making and DIY projects. What really sets it apart is its smart dust-proof design, with sealed belts and magnetic acrylic covers that protect key components. Pre-assembled modules and GRBL control allow users to get started in about 15 minutes, making it ideal for home workshops. The ATOMSTACK C4 Pro brings advanced 4-axis machining to the desktop CNC world. Powered by a 200-watt spindle running at 12,000 RPM, upgradable to 500 watts, it delivers positioning accuracy within plus or minus 0.1 mm and repeatability of 0.01 mm. Its high-strength linear rails eliminate vibration, enabling clean, detailed cuts on wood, plastics, aluminum, brass, and PCBs. The 4-axis smart control system allows multi-angle machining and round material centering, while the offline handwheel controller provides precise manual control. Taking the top spot, the Carvera Air is one of the smartest and most refined desktop CNC machines of 2026. Designed for hobbyists and professionals alike, it features a fully enclosed, compact design for safety, low noise, and clean operation, with a precise 3-axis work area ideal for intricate projects. What truly sets it apart is automation. Quick tool changes in just 10 seconds. Auto-probing and auto-leveling ensure flawless results with minimal setup. Powered by closed-loop stepper motors and Makera's all-in-one CAM software, the Carvera Air delivers professional-grade accuracy, supports optional laser and 4th-axis upgrades, and offers one of the smoothest CNC experiences available today.